The city will be replacing the sanitary sewer main on 48th Avenue between 42nd and 43rd Street. The existing infrastructure is in failing condition and must be removed and replaced.
And what's happened is, I believe it's clay tiles, the term used, has collapsed. And because of that, it's not serving the purpose that it needs to be. It was raised and the question was asked, could we recondition what's in the ground in a different way rather than opening it up? And the response from administration was no, it was not able to be done that way.
City Council has selected ASL Paving of Lloydminster as a contractor of the project with a bid just over $390,000 and a 15% contingency of $59,000.
The contingency is there to allow a project to move forward with if a snag does come along. And if you'll notice, the 15% stays within budget. Had the bid been higher and we'd accept a higher bid, the contingency would only been 10%. It's been what's budgeted is what works for the contingency. So in this case, there's room for a 15% contingency. Administration asks for it. Sometimes it's 10, 5, 7. So that number moves.
The city will be in touch with residents and businesses in the area to ensure minimal disruption. This project is different than other sewer and water projects that have been completed in the city since there is no water line in the block. The project could be completed in just over a week, depending on weather.
It will be something that moves a lot faster, partly because there is only one line. So when you're digging, you're not carefully digging, so you disconnect water versus sewer and things like that. So the administration indicated that it could be 7 to 10 days of good construction weather. And I always emphasize good construction weather. They could have the clay back down and starting to get compacted. So the neighborhood hopefully will experience very little discomfort and displeasure with maintenance, but it's required and it will be a finished paved street when it's done.
Construction on the project is expected to be completed September 3rd. For Primetime Local News, I'm Jace Mackey.